In this short tutorial, you will learn how to find the SSID on a Samsung phone. Knowing the SSID is important when you want to connect to a Wi-Fi network or if you are having trouble with your connection. Finding it on your Samsung phone is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, tap Connections. In this section, tap on Wi-Fi. Once you're in the Wi-Fi settings, you'll see a list of available networks along with the one you're currently connected to. The active network is typically displayed at the top of this list. Next, tap on the gear icon located next to your current network. This will open up detailed information about that specific Wi-Fi connection. At the very top of this page, you'll find what you're looking for, the Wi-Fi network name. This is actually your SSID. In most cases, your SSID is synonymous with your Wi-Fi network name. And there you have it. Finding your SSID on a Samsung phone is straightforward once you know where to look. If you're looking for additional information about your current network, like IP settings or proxy, you can find those details further down on this page as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.